If Discord is giving you error 503, don't worry. In most cases, this is not a problem with your account. It usually means Discord servers are temporarily overloaded, under maintenance, or having a service issue. In this video, I'm going to show you the fastest way to check what's happening and the simple fixes you can try right away. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes and guides. First, let's check the official Discord server status. Open your browser and visit the Discord status page. This is where Discord reports outages, degraded performance, and any ongoing issues affecting voice, messages, APIs, or login services. If you see a warning or incident listed there, then the problem is likely on Discord's side, and the best move is usually to wait it out until the service recovers. If the status page looks normal, the next step is quick troubleshooting. Sometimes error 503 appears because of a temporary connection or client issue. Start by fully closing Discord. On Windows, open Task Manager and make sure Discord is completely shut down. On Mac, use Force Quit to close it fully. Then reopen the app and try again. A fresh restart can clear temporary glitches and reconnect you to Discord properly. If the error is still there, the next fix is clearing the Discord cache. This can remove corrupted temporary files that may be causing the app to misbehave. On Windows, press Windows plus R to open the run box. Type %appdata %\discord and press Enter. In that folder, look for Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache it. Delete all three folders. After that, restart Discord and check whether the error is gone. This works because Discord stores temporary files to help the app load faster. But if those files become damaged, they can trigger errors like 503. Clearing them forces Discord to rebuild fresh cache files the next time it opens. If you're still seeing the issue after that, double-check your internet connection and try again a little later, especially if the Discord status page showed an outage. Since error 503 is often a service-side problem, sometimes the only real fix is waiting until Discord servers are stable again. So, to quickly recap, first check the Discord status page, then restart the app, and if needed, clear the cache and relaunch Discord. These simple steps fix most Discord error 503 problems without needing anything advanced. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting tutorials, and leave a comment if you want help with another Discord error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.